So yesterday we flew this for a little while. We just ran through 2 batteries. Each battery is 16 minutes, especially if you're recording. Still getting accustomed to it. There's a lot to learn, but just check the size of this. This is pretty small, pretty nice. I mean, you cannot go smaller than this. Compared to my Phantom 3 that I had before, this is pretty. It's small. 2, it's quiet. It's pretty quiet. And 3, it looked like a toy, in the sense that if you go to the park with it and you stand it up, nobody is gonna look at them and be, oh, it's a toy. It looked like a toy, but it's not. It behaves. I mean, it's fast, especially on sport mode. I crashed it just once, which is pretty, well, that's a small scratch. Hit a tree, touched a tree. I was testing to see if it would stop when it was going towards the tree, but I didn't put that part of it on, so that didn't work. So it just hit the tree and it fell down. Everything looked pretty good. The blades got a little bit messed up, but I have the props for it, so from now on I'm gonna use the props on there. But apart from that, I really like it. I didn't like that it was landing so flat to the ground, so I went ahead and I bought some legs for it, so that will keep it off the ground a bit, so which is cool. So I have the props, I have the legs. I also went ahead and got a protector for the screen for when I'm traveling and I'm storing it away. So I have the protector for it, so that's pretty good. We have 4 batteries for this. Each battery will give us at least 16 minutes, so that's pretty good flying. If I have to, I'll get some more batteries. But I'll be testing this some more. There's a lot of things to learn, the hand gestures stuff, all that stuff to learn on there. So as soon as I learn these things, I'll make some more videos and show you guys how much we're enjoying this and how much we plan to enjoy it. It's pretty good. Again, this is the DJI Spark. This is the combo that I got, and I'll leave all the link in the description from Amazon down below for you guys, so check it out. What? Like everything I look at on this channel, I will leave the link in the description down for you guys below where I got it from. This is Charlie. Like and subscribe. I'm out.